You know what I'm saying? Glow up. Back in another banging video for y'all boys. I'm back in another drip video for y'all boys. Let's go. Alright, Glow up. Today we're gonna be unboxing some heat. This video was long overdue. I want to give a special shout out to GoodKicks. If you don't know what GoodKicks is an affordable shoe website that has all the latest sneakers that you ever think and dreamed of. They got Nike, they got Gucci, Supreme, Louis V, Amiri, Burberry. They got it all. For all you hypebeasts, they got Yeezys. They got it all. Off-White, they just got it all. Period. Like I said, long overdue, but y'all see what your boy got. You know what I'm saying? That Louis Vuitton. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, you already know what's in this box. I do a lot of unboxing videos on my social media. Make sure y'all go follow me. I do follow back. Okay. It's a box within a box type shit. I ain't gonna waste no time. Get straight into it. But like I said, if you follow me on my Instagram and Snapchat, you already know what's in this box, man. Your boy got that Louis Vuitton Timberland Boots, you know what I'm saying? Now, if you from Chicago or New York, this is a flex. A lot of you niggas don't like Timbs, and I understand, especially like you down south niggas, you know what I'm saying? But look, when you from a city like Chicago, New York, this is, Timbs is fire. But Louis V Timbs, come on, like I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I done had so many good compliments with this shit.
He ain't lying.
You know what I'm saying? Like great compliments, bro. Like people thought it was just a regular Tim boot. When they get close, like you can see the Louis V. They like, is that Louis V Timbs? I'm like, yeah, bro. I got so much respect after this shit. Look, Louis V on the tongue, bro. Louis V on the tongue. Stop playing. Oh. I done showed y'all a lot of shoes on this channel, bro, but you gotta smash the like button for these Louis V Timbs, bro. I know school just started for all my younger subscribers, all my older subscribers. You know what I'm saying? You got a date coming up, you wanna flex on her ass, you know what I'm saying? Click the link in the description, go copy some heat. Louis V Timbs for the low. For the low, where you gonna find these? Huh? Link in the description. Stop playing. I already got some like all black Timbs, but I was like, man, I ain't never had like OG Tim colors. I didn't have some like bread colorway Timbs. I ain't never had like these colorways. But for my first like colorway for these Timbs to be Louis V, that's a fucking flex. Oh my God. But what made me really get these, I think, if you know the rapper Bloodhound Q50, shout out Q50, shout out Bloodhound, shout out the whole city of Chicago, man. Bloodhound Q50, he did like he did a music video to Bloody Mary, and he had on these with some Louis V pants. I was like, man, if I ever get some Timbs, bro, my next Timbs gotta be those Timbs. Like I said at the beginning of the video, bro, if you follow me on my Instagram and Snapchat, I posted an unboxing video. I'm gonna post it like right here on the screen. I post a lot of unboxing videos before I drop the main video. So follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, link in the description. Follow me, I do follow back. You know what I'm saying? That's it for the video, Glow Number. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing much to say, bro. You know what I'm saying? The shoe speaks for itself. Louis V Timbs. Louis V Timbs, shorty. Louis V Timbs. Smash the like button. Come on, stop playing. Smash that like button. Before I end the video, I did get some more heat. You feel me? Some, you know what I'm saying? But that's it for today's video, Glow. If you want you some Louis V Timbs, bro, or any type of designer shoe, or if you just want some Jordans, or some regular Nikes, SBs, anything Off-White, they got it all. Link in the description, Glow, $15 off at checkout. Let's go. But I hope you have a peace, pause day, peace, pause night. Thank you, GoodKicks, for the shoes. I'm so sorry for the wait, man. Your boy was sick, and your boy was just getting better and grinding. I'm sorry, but let's do more business, you know what I'm saying? I hope you have a peace, pause day, peace, pause night. Take yourself to bad for it, because we don't do no Netflix and chill, but you got a fat ass. Tell us at jacuzzi, you dig? I love y'all boys. Gang.